Have you ever felt uncertain about the future, just like Kiki? Working hard every day, but not knowing where you're going or what lies ahead? Will the acorns be enough to last through the winter? Will your dreams come true? Don't worry, because Master TigerZen is about to reveal a secret, a tool that can turn every worry into joyful creation. Are you ready to discover the map of the future? Let's begin the journey with Kiki. Welcome to TigerZen's forest, where every day is filled with surprises and joy. Even the tiniest friends sometimes pause and look up at something greater, the future. Kiki, a little energetic squirrel, always full of excitement for new things. But sometimes Kiki gets so caught up in present joys that she forgets to plan a little further ahead. Hurry up, Kiki mumbled, her eyes sparkling as she looked at the radiant red mushroom flower crown. If I can gather 10 acorns before sunset, I can trade for it. So beautiful. Next to Kiki, another squirrel friend sighed. A red mushroom flower crown? Why go through all that trouble, Kiki? I've got these delicious acorns, and after eating them, I'll just sleep. Immediate fun is the best. Kiki wrinkled her nose, but the red mushroom flower crown is so pretty. Oh no, I dropped another acorn. At this rate, when will I ever have enough? Seems like you're having a bit of trouble with your acorns, aren't you, Kiki? Master TigerZen's warm voice came from behind. Kiki nodded quickly. Yes, I want that red mushroom flower crown before it gets dark, but I keep dropping acorns. It's harder than I thought, and I just want to have it right now. Master TigerZen smiled kindly. The red mushroom flower crown is very beautiful, but have you ever thought about the bigger things you might want in the future? Like a cozy acorn house for the winter, or a trip to explore the bamboo forest beyond the mountain? An acorn house? An exploration trip? Kiki's eyes widened in surprise. But those are such big things. I don't know how to get them. Your power doesn't just lie in working hard today, but also in planning for tomorrow. Master TigerZen gently said, then began sketching a map of the future for Kiki. Here, we'll start from now. He pointed to the starting point. And here is your acorn house. To go from now to acorn house, we need a path. This path is your plan. What will you do each day to be ready to walk that path? Kiki's eyes lit up. I'll collect acorns every day. Very good. But how many acorns will you collect each day to have enough for that big house? Oh, that means I'll need a bit more than just 10 acorns for the house. Exactly. And where will you store them? In my acorn savings box, Kiki exclaimed. Exactly. That's how we save for the future. And if you want to explore the bamboo forest, that'll be another goal on another path, but also needing a different plan. I get it now, Kiki said excitedly. If I want to go somewhere or do something, I need a plan starting from now, and I need to save a certain number of acorns every day to get there. I don't always need everything immediately, right, Master? That's right, Kiki. Life is like a vast forest. You can chase after the dazzling flowers in front of you, but if you have a map for the future, you'll know how to reach even more amazing places you once thought were impossible. Oh, what kind of map is this? It looks so interesting, Kiki exclaimed as Master TigerZen finished her very own map of the future. With the map of the future in her hands, Kiki knew that every acorn gathered, every thread woven had meaning. No longer filled with worry, but with the joy of building, of each steady step on the path to her dreams. And just like that, Kiki was no longer afraid of the future, because Kiki had realized that, with a clear goal and a smart plan, anyone can draw the path leading to their own treasures. A bright future is not just something to wait for, it's something we build with our own hands each day. Dear little friends, have you created your own map of the future? Share your map, your dreams, and your plans in the comments below. Don't forget to follow TigerZen's channel so you won't miss the next meaningful life lessons, and let's explore more wonders in the forest together. See you in the next episode.